What's going on YouTube? Today I was not able to go live. I don't have the whole day recorded, unfortunately. As well as TikTok. I apologize, guys. I was not able. I hopped on for a minute. I wasn't able to stay on. You know, life happens sometimes, right? But it was important for me to get on, and I just want to go over what we saw today happen in the market. And also just do kind of like a little bonus session for everybody, okay? The last video I had uploaded is Tuesday's session, so I do apologize. I need to catch up on some videos to post, and so tonight I still need to post Wednesdays and Thursdays session for YouTube. Very important to me to stay consistent every day. So I want to do a bonus session for y'all, okay? We still see Bitcoin consolidating. All we're doing is moving sideways right now. That is all what's going on. We have not broken to the upside or the downside since, I guess, this midnight candle on Friday. Opening, starting Friday at midnight today. That was the last breakout we had, honestly. Let's see what he just said. I'm just curious. Oh, stacks. Okay. I just don't see entries right now, I'll be honest. I am still in a SUI long, okay, but oh, it's starting to pump too, actually. But I want to first go over, and I did start my futures option or future prop firm. So we're going to be doing futures trading starting next week. We're going to be doing ES and NQ. This was end of market? Okay. So I'm really excited to start doing this with you guys. It's gonna, it's a whole different type of trading. Yes, XRP to the moon. All crypto to the moon. No, not all of them, but yeah, I'm gonna be doing futures with you guys. From now on, we'll still be doing the on here. And then obviously crypto. No, you guys already know crypto is not going nowhere. But it is important to me to play. I'm a diverse. I mean, I like indices and I like crypto. I also like gold as well. But let's go over what we saw on S&P. So we pumped up Thursday, obviously Friday, not much going on. Not much happened on Friday. Pretty basic day. And then I actually got a long down here, but I got trapped before that. So today, I got trapped on indices today. And then I caught one long back up, but it wasn't anything that great. So it's kind of just, it was a very slow, boring day. So the rest of the week, though, we destroyed it. We killed it, especially in crypto. More so in crypto than anything. We had a couple $1,000 days. I wish now. So I do wish that I would have held some trades. You can see here, just playing off the orb, we could have, I did take BTC up to here, and then I let it go. I'm mad about SUI. I was in SUI down here on the orb breakout. I was in SUI a couple times, guys. And I kept getting in and out. Sure, we won. I'm not mad, but I could have rode this to $4. I had a friend that took Solana from way down here, 100x leverage, and yes, D-raise. That's what we're going to be going over. So let's start with Bitcoin, okay? Before anything, let's just start. Because so much happened in the market this week, I want to do a video. We're not day trading right now. We are just analyzing what is going on in the market. So, if any of you that watched or were on the live for my Zoom call with my team, my private team, I was doing a Zoom call and I was talking about the Bitcoin dominance chart and showing that this is on the daily time frame, okay, for everyone watching. This is a very key level right here. There's 786 on the fib. The last time the Bitcoin dominance was here at 70 to 73% was when we had the altcoin rally. So when the Bitcoin dominance drops off the cliff, it doesn't mean that it's Bitcoin's going to nothing. This is when the altcoins kick in and start really going, okay? So I don't want you to be scared thinking, oh my God, Bitcoin dominance is going to nothing. No. It means that the money is flowing out of Bitcoin into the higher risk coins, the altcoins, right? And I said on that video, this 786 at 66% dominance could be the level that we start seeing the altcoins really run. But I said if we get back up to 70% dominance up here, oh yeah, it's on like Donkey Kong. Big time. Altcoins are going to start going insane. But look at the Ethereum dominance, guys. The last time we were in this zone on the daily at 7% to 8%, this was back in January of 2020. January of 2020. This is when the altcoins and everything, we started really going crazy. Look at the reaction in this zone, guys, on Ethereum dominance. You got to remember that Ethereum dominance pumping, like, it doesn't just, yes, it's just for Ethereum based projects, Ethereum dominance, right? So anything on the Ethereum network, but this also is an indication for other alts as well. Like, yes, we're about to look at the Solana dominance. That is important as well. But this signifies more than just, it's altcoins in general. A lot of people, big money traders and investors, they go by the Ethereum dominance to get a judge for altcoin rallies. Yes, everyone looks at Solana and everything but the top 10 crypto dominance. That's what the others is, excluding top 10 dominance. Now this chart, like I just said, crypto total market cap excluding top 10 coins. It's not in a great spot. It broke this. It broke below here, this gray box. Should be green. I don't know why it's gray, to be honest. Hold on one second. Jimbo. No. Sorry, my dog got something. Okay. We really need this, but I don't know. I'm just not confident at where it's at. It made a double bottom and then it's starting to push, but we got to get above this. We got to get to like 9%. Okay, we just need to get above here. We have to get above this area. That will signify a lot for everything excluding the top 10 coins. Now XRP dominance also has been falling down. This is on the daily. But it is in a good level of support. We have tapped here twice, to be exact. We launched once, came back second time, and came back a third time, okay? Let's fib this real quick. From the high to the low. So this would be right in the 382, just like I thought it would be. Not quite at the 382. I could see it you know, like this right here. This is a fair value gap. I could see it come try to target this. Could possibly. It's not for sure. Well, actually, no, guys, it did tap that. Look at the wick here. It tapped right into there and exploded off of it. So that's been mitigated. So I take that back, okay? I take that back. That's been mitigated already. So, and then now you see it make a lower high, right? So, boom, boom. But we're not making higher highs yet. But we could launch from here, okay? Solana dominance is looking great. DeFi dominance looking a little iffy. Broke the major level. Now, we need stables. This is USDT dominance, the stable coins. We need this to continue to fall off a cliff and never come back, okay? You guys want the dominance for the stable coins to drop because it means that the money is going into real projects. So it's leaving stable coins, which are pegged at $1. You have to remember, for people that are somewhat new, big players in crypto, when they take profits, they swap into stables. So say they took profits from whatever, Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, any coin. They swap it and pull the profits and just swap into stable coins and wait for the next opportunity. The big money players, they don't cash out for cash. They pull out and swap into stables. There's a lot of benefits for that. I'm not going to get into that on this video, but let's just say there's multiple reasons and multiple benefits by doing so. That way your money stays in crypto, and yeah, you can pull out some for cash if you need it, but people that have big money, they just swap into stables and wait for the next opportunity, because then they can stake the stables at 4 to 5% APY or whatever, or even 3 sometimes. So I love this. The crypto total market cap of all crypto. Okay? We are in such a great zone. We got above $3 trillion. We're at 3.2 trillion again. And we need to keep going. We need to get above the all-time high of $3.7 trillion. 3.75. We need to get above that, okay? Total market cap excluding BTC, looking healthy. Now, this is the total market cap excluding BTC and ETH. Yes, we broke the major trend line down, okay? We broke above that. Now we're in this resistance, okay? So we need to pop above this, but we need the altcoins to rally for that to happen. And then when you look at the total market cap excluding the top 10 coins, it does look better than this chart, which is the dominance, okay? If you look at the actual amount of money, 2.66 billion, it looks a lot more healthy, okay? Looks way better. I think this bull run, we're going to far exceed 496 billion, the all-time high for the total market cap of everything, right? I think we will. No question. Okay. So, I want to actually look at MicroStrategy. Oh my goodness. Can you believe it, guys? Look at MicroStrategy. I can't believe it's booming. Look at that. This was April 9th. I don't trade stocks, but anyone could have told you to buy MicroStrategy at 240. It's doubled. Tesla. Anyone that was doubting Tesla. I know it hasn't done crazy numbers yet, but come on, man. You know that thing's gonna pop back to life. Like, let's be real about it, man. You know, and that's the cool thing about trading. once you learn how to trade, you can trade and look at anything. Anything. There's nothing you can't look at and figure out how to trade. Let's just say that. And real quick, I want to make sure you guys know. If you don't know how to trade and you want to finally learn the right way, you know, get out of your 9 to 5 that you can't stand going to every day. Live on your own terms. Trade. Make money online. Be a part of the best community and team that we have. I mean, you can't find a better team and community than what we do. Okay? Comment in the video down below or DM me. You can find me I go live every morning on TikTok and Twitch. I post a video on YouTube, Instagram, and X. All in with Mitch. All one word. All in with Mitch. No spaces. You can DM me. Yes, I make money from this. I do this full time. And I have a business selling cars. I do this every day. I go live with you guys. If you jump on my lives, we went 2 weeks undefeated. Just the prior week, we won every day majorly this week, except today was the one losing day. Whoop-de-doo. Been making thousands of dollars this week alone in crypto and in indices. So, tune into my lives. DM me if you want to finally learn something that can change your life, right? We have a full schedule. Forex trade educators in crypto. These are certified 6-7 figure traders and investors. These are the guys that I learned from. We also offer e-commerce, social media marketing, mindset, and finance. You get everything. So it's not just one thing. You literally get everything. Multiple ways to make money. I don't know how you couldn't. If you join and you apply everything, there's no way you can't make money, and good money. Sure, I mean, it might pull back this weekend, but I think we are riding in a very good spot. Ethereum back at 2350. Oh my goodness. All these coins are just looking so amazing now. Let me get rid of the market cipher A. Okay. So, for all of you tuning into my lives, this week alone, you could have literally just took off the orb breakouts. Broke out of the green line, boom, money, long. Oh my goodness, that was so easy. Thank you. Boom, next day, long, breaks out of the green, above the green, take the long. Oh my goodness, this thing just kept going and going and going and going. Today was, obviously, we were exhausted. The market was so tired after pushing up all that today, right? All this week. If you're on my lives, we've caught every move this week together. Obviously, Fridays are the worst days in the market, and we just went sideways today. We really didn't do much. I called that out. I knew that was going to be the case. This is 15 minutes on the orb. Yep, okay. What's up, Aki? Okay, so I am actually currently in a Solana long because it played off the low of the orb. You see this right here? It bounced off the low of the orb. I'm hoping to maybe just catch it to there, be in and out, be done. Bitcoin's obviously really struggling. I think the alts will run a little bit over the weekend maybe. But we could have a crazy weekend. We did, I believe it was last weekend or the weekend before. We pumped hard on the weekend. 2 weeks ago, I think. But anyways, Sui didn't really give us much today. I'm currently also in a long down here. I caught the bomb of this. I'm hoping to catch it to 4.9 cents. Okay? So, yeah. Wait, so do you buy out when the candles are at the top? Sorry, I don't know nothing. So, Shasta, just DM me. We'll talk some more, okay? Just DM me. That's all you have to do. Click on my profile, send message, You and me, we'll hop on a Zoom call and we'll talk some more, okay? That's what I do. And then also follow all my social medias, my TikTok, my YouTube, my Twitch, Instagram X. I go live every morning at 6 a.m. Pacific, 9 a.m. Eastern. You can't miss me. Fartcoin has been pumping hard. And Maker is waking up. Radium, I mean, everything's obviously up right now. I do notice, though, that it seems like the Ethereum-based tokens are doing better than everything else. The Ethereum network tokens. I did call out this Caspa trade. Not in it no more. We also took Caspa at, what was it, 86 cents, but we got out at 96. It's all good. No, we got out a little early. This is trading. You gotta be safe. You gotta pull your profits. You gotta be safe. You gotta make your money, be in and out. Just like this one. I remember this short. I shorted this, but imagine if I just kept holding it. It came fumbling all the way down to 195. But I didn't, you know? I made my money, I got out. I remember that day. I really do. You start to get a photographic memory from all this. But imagine, you know, there's, like, we're in and out every day with our, you know, the orb strategy and whatnot. But, you know, I know swing traders that catch moves like this or here, and they're still holding. You know what I mean? I can show you personally, actually, right now. If we go over to Bitfunded, I actually have long on BTC, 3 positions that I've stacked since Sunday, April 20th at 84,000 on Bitcoin. So this is why it's important to have different accounts for different trading, okay? So I decided to make this like a swing trading account, okay? It's a crypto funded account, prop firm. So I caught it here. It came up, rally base, took another, rally base, took a third one. Now we're hovering. I'm waiting for the 4th entry, but obviously it's not ready yet. I would like to get at 99. I think Bitcoin could possibly get exhausted, come back down to here, maybe 99,600. That would be a great spot to then launch higher, but I don't know. We could. I mean, if you look here at this, we am down here. I mean, these were ugly and they just pumped again. This one made more sense. This one made a bigger base before the rally. We might move sideways for a week and then run. I don't know. We're going to wait and see, though. But this account, I've been swing trading since April 20th, 84,000. Yeah, but, you know, these positions are fully protected at 84,000 and then 93,000. Oh, and then the second one's at 87,000. So it's like, I could close them now, but I'm swing trading these. Now, I mean, XRP's pumping right now a little bit. No, not so much. Never mind. It was just a green candle on the 1 hour. Okay. Let's look at Solana and Sui real quick. Okay, they're kind of getting a little tired. And I might possibly just go close them because I don't want to hold over the weekend and risk it, but we'll keep talking. Okay, so Uniswap doing really well. WorldCoin's waking up finally. Oh man, thank God, because I still got some WorldCoin I want to get out of. I want out of it. Jupiter is really waking up. But look at this. We're now in a resistance level. I hope we break above it. Holy moly. Jito is really moving. Jito is a protocol on Solana. Staking. Boom. Okay. Comp, Drift, Aerodrome. Doing nice, doing nice. Fetch AI back to 83 cents. Arbitron, Ton. Atom, I'm not a Cosmo fan, but I know some of you might hold it. ICP. Radium. AR, Filecoin, Aave. I don't hold Aave, but I fully am all for it. Like, this is the biggest DeFi protocol on the Ethereum blockchain, guys. This is a very good investment if you definitely like Ethereum also. Render, I've been telling you guys about Render. It came down to an amazing area at $2.50. It's now at about $5. Broke the major resistance, which is now support, right? Broke the resistance, it made support now. That's, ooh, Rune is really taking off. This is on the 4-hour. Ondo is doing amazing. Ondo, we caught it at 83 cents, but we got out. I'm holding it long term. I'm talking about day trading now. But I marked this up back in March, guys. I literally marked this to the T. I could have swing traded it at 69 cents, but I didn't, you know. It is what it is. We got in and out of it a few times, but ooh, Injective is really doing well. Nice. So now that we've made, this is now support. Hopefully we can get above or back down to around $10 range and then push higher. Stark, Flow, Jasmy coin. Oh yeah, Jasmy is man. I marked this. I said the 886 on this fib level, and look at that. Tapped it. I mean, I marked that up so long ago, guys. I don't think you fully understand how long ago I marked that. I don't even remember. But it came right back to it. Let's look at it. Redic, Neon, Quant, Propy, H&T. Ape. Okay, we're gonna get into the memes now, guys. So this is Bitcoin Dog. Dog to the moon. Bitcoin Dog is what they call it. This coin has been coming back pretty well. Oh wow, this one woke up big time. Huh. This is a meme coin like thing. Okay, so GME, I'm hoping we can find a way out of this. Need to get above here. I still hold GME. I still do. GameStop, the meme coin. As you can see, this did crazy numbers, okay? We're talking 15,000%. 15,000%. I should have just fully got out. But I still held some. I sold some, but I still held some. I wish I just got completely out, but whatever. I got some friends that are big in the GME community, like the actual community. I've actually spoke on, it was a year ago, I jumped on the, on X. They were doing like a talk about GME. They have a massive community. They really do. The GME meme coin. And so there's part of me that held it just because like of that. But Brett is finally waking up. I marked up this zone a long time ago. This is back to entry prices, the lows. Peanut the squirrel. What in the holy dang. It's already done since May 7th. 3 days ago. It did 200%, guys. Dude, what? How did I not see this? Peanut the Squirrel's done 200% in S&P 6,900. I think that has a strong community as well. Pepe, though, guys, since April 8th has done 139%. I fully believe in this coin. I really do. What? There's no way that's right. Binance has done $4 trillion in trading volume in the last... What? You gotta be kidding me. That is insane. That is insane. What? Wow, that is crazy. Man, I wish I would have saw this. I would have shorted zero, bro. Virtual protocol, waking back up. It is waking back up. It made a new high, guys. $2.20. I'm not even in this. The all-time high is $5. I wish I took advantage of this. I mean, dude, fuck, just last month, if you just went long on this thing, you would have destroyed it. But who in their right mind would hold a leverage that, I mean, on virtual protocol? It's like, it's a good coin. Oh, man. This doesn't even look that bad to short, guys. I mean, it broke the low of the orb. Take it down to the previous day's orb. I might have to look at this when we get off. Same with AI16Z. I think this could break the orb and come down. Wait, what? Something's wrong with this chart. Wait, what is going on right now? Hold on, guys. Is this correct? No, see? So they must have got rid of the coin or something. So we're gonna change it. Something's up with that one. That's a faulty chart. That don't make sense. I mean, this says that's up 61,000%, guys. Hold on. I got an idea. This is nuts. If this is true, hold on. MLG. Yeah, that's not, yeah, never mind. It didn't do that. That chart must be old now. Oh wow, that's ugly. Okay, let's get back to business. So, we're just gonna delete that chart. That's not real. Okay, Popcat, really waking up. Dog with hat. Oh my, dude, 80 cents. This thing went crazy today. Man, I should have been looking at these, if anything. Fuck. So now this is support. Let's see it get back down. It did some crazy pump just now. I'm not complaining. I have dog with that, so that's great. Oh, whoa. Jelly took a major dive. Pengu also. Goat chill guy. Bonk. I might look at shorting one of these meme coins. It looks like we're dumping now. Some of these meme coins could give us a good play, guys. BOME, Doge, Shiba. Well, I mean, that is pretty much it, guys. Dude, what did we mark up? Virtual? Anyways, I'm gonna get going. I might be looking, I'll post it if you guys follow my stuff. I'm gonna look for a short. You could have took the short on 0, bro, and killed it. Pepe could get ready for a short. I don't know, maybe. This one too, maybe. We'll see. They're pumping hard though, so it's kind of hard to call it. They're doing pretty well. But I appreciate you guys, and I'll post this video in just a minute. I'm gonna get this out. I apologize for not going live today. We will be back for sure on Monday morning. I'll probably jump on tomorrow too, guys. Okay. All right, man. I appreciate y'all. This might do it too. I appreciate y'all, and I will see you guys tomorrow, most likely. All right. Peace out. Have a good night, guys.